which is where the dress builder comes into place. I think over the last few years, we've listened to what our brides want, what's really important to them. So dress builder is kind of like a hands-on way to find inspiration for your dress. So you might come to our site not really having any idea what it is that you want, but it's really easy to click around and see different styles and answer questions about your wedding or things that you know that you do like or don't like, and really narrow down the perfect design for yourself. I think what's really special about Anomalie and the Dress Builder is that we're not just a group of designers who are creating styles that we think brides are going to like in the next season. Everything that's in the Dress Builder, all of the attributes to make dresses and all the combinations of those attributes, comes from data that we've actually collected from our customers over the last few years. So we've seen what the styles that they're putting in their lookbooks, we've had conversations with them, we know what they want, and we just documented all of that, and that's what's fueling the Dress Builder.